Hello friends, BMW is actively preparing to unveil the next generation X5, something I've discussed many times before. However, what's even more interesting is that engineers from BMW M have already begun testing its most extreme variant, the future BMW iX5 M. Recently, a prototype of this version was spotted undergoing road testing, and these spy photos essentially provide the first real glimpse of what the new flagship performance SUV from the company will look like. Moreover, according to the information currently available, the German automaker intends to create a vehicle that will significantly surpass the current BMW X5 M in both performance and power, opening an entirely new chapter in the history of the BMW M division. As expected, the test vehicle is covered in heavy camouflage, making it difficult to distinguish many details. Nevertheless, numerous features clearly reveal that this is a full-fledged M model rather than an M performance variant. The front fascia appears considerably more aggressive than the standard X5 prototypes, featuring larger air intakes, a redesigned front bumper, and an overall architecture that visually makes the vehicle look wider and lower. Despite the camouflage, design elements inspired by BMW's Neue Klasse philosophy are already noticeable, a styling direction that will form the foundation of nearly all future BMW models. The braking system is another giveaway. The prototype is equipped with large, ventilated brake discs and massive blue brake calipers, which have traditionally been used on high-performance BMW M vehicles. Complementing the braking system are new, lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport performance tires, further confirming its status as the most powerful version of the X5 lineup. Interestingly, the rear end appears much more restrained than the front. This is because BMW traditionally uses temporary body panels and provisional lighting elements on early development prototypes. At the same time, it is now virtually confirmed that the next generation X5 will finally abandon its signature split tailgate, a feature that has distinguished the model for many years. Instead, BMW will adopt a conventional one-piece tailgate design, reducing weight and simplifying the manufacturing process. The technical side of the new iX5 M deserves special attention, as it promises to be a genuine technological breakthrough. According to company insiders and reports from BMW blog, the flagship X5 will feature a quad-motor electric powertrain with independent control of each wheel. That's quite a revelation. Such a configuration will enable virtually instantaneous torque distribution, delivering a level of handling precision that traditional mechanical differentials simply cannot achieve. Preliminary estimates suggest that the combined output will exceed 800 horsepower and 1,200 newton-meters of torque, making the newcomer one of the most powerful models in BMW M history. Considering the importance of the X5 to BMW's global portfolio, this strategy makes perfect sense. Powering these electric motors will be a massive 148 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the largest battery system ever installed in a production BMW. It will utilize the company's 6th-generation cylindrical battery cells with cell-to-pack architecture and an 800-volt electrical system, providing higher energy efficiency, significantly faster charging speeds, and reduced energy losses. But that's not all. The vehicle's software will be just as important as its hardware. BMW is actively developing its proprietary Heart of Joy electronic platform, which integrates the powertrain, regenerative braking system, conventional brakes, and chassis control into a single computing architecture. As a result, the vehicle will respond to driver inputs much faster than conventional systems, enabling more precise cornering and greater stability at high speeds. Software integration is becoming one of the defining advantages of the next generation of electric vehicles. In fact, the next generation BMW X5 will be a unique project for the company. BMW management has already confirmed that the model will be offered with 5 different types of powertrains simultaneously: gasoline engines, diesel engines, plug-in hybrid systems, fully electric versions, and the hydrogen-powered iX5 Hydrogen. Rather than betting on a single technology, BMW is pursuing a multi-path strategy, giving customers the broadest possible range of choices. Production of the new X5 is expected to begin at BMW's plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, which is rapidly becoming one of the company's key global centers for electrification. This facility will manufacture the electric iX5, iX6, and iX7 models models, and BMW has already invested billions of dollars in upgrading the factory and establishing new battery production capabilities. The official debut of the standard next-generation BMW X5 is expected in the near future, while the full unveiling of the BMW iX5M, according to current information, is scheduled for 2028, so we'll have to be patient a little longer.